Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tutoring appointment as well as cancel a tutoring appointment with the Academic Success Center. So there are two ways you can get to the website to set up your appointment. The first way is to go to the Academic Success Center website, which is academicsuccess.umbc.edu, and on the right hand side under quick links, you should see Schedule a Tutoring or Writing Center Appointment. Click that and hit Schedule Tutoring. It should take you to this page. Another way to get to this page is by typing umbc.go-redrock.com, and it'll take you to the same page. So from here, you just log in with your campus ID. This is the main screen where you can see all the appointments you've made, see available spots to schedule an appointment for the future, and see all the appointments you've been to in the past. To find appointments, hit the Search Availability button on the left side of the screen. You can select the tutoring center that fits your needs best on the left-hand side of the screen. Subject Tutoring 1 allows you to set up a tutoring appointment for the same day or later that week. Subject Tutoring 2 is on demand, and these appointments must be scheduled at least 24 hours in advance. The Writing Center allows you to book an appointment to review any writing assignments you have. This is what we'll be looking at today. So I've clicked on the Writing Center, and it's asking me to select the class my paper is for. I'll be selecting English 391, which is an advanced argument writing class. Hit search. Now a list of Writing Center peer tutors appears on the right hand side of the screen. As this is the only slot available, I'll pick this slot. This screen allows you to pick a reason for your tutoring. It allows you to put in your cell phone number if you want your tutor to text you, and it also allows you to put any notes you want your tutor to know. There are some required questions you need to answer before you make your appointment, but those are tailored to you when you make the appointment, asking about your pronouns, the assignment you'll be working on, among other things. Once you hit save, you'll be registered for your tutoring session appointment. You can log out here. You'll receive a confirmation email confirming your appointment once you book it. If you do not get a confirmation email confirming your appointment, you can check the Upcoming Appointments tab on this website. To do that, you go to the main menu, and there should be an Upcoming Appointments tab under the Welcome tab in red text. This will show your appointment. If there is no appointment listed under the Upcoming Appointments tab, you have not booked your appointment. During the required questions you have to answer, you can either choose an asynchronous or synchronous tutoring session. If you choose an asynchronous tutoring session, you will receive an email from your tutor about how the tutoring session will happen. If you chose the synchronous session, a link will appear in your tutor track that says Enter Online Appointment 10 minutes before your appointment is supposed to start. That is how you will access the appointment. One thing to note is that this platform does not work with Safari, so please use Chrome or Firefox. Also, make sure that your camera and microphone are enabled in computer settings. Finally, please make sure that you don't have another meeting application such as Discord or WebEx open in another window. You will not be able to enter your tutoring session if one of those are open. In order to cancel this appointment, you will have to hit the X next to this appointment. You can enter a reason for your cancellation and hit Confirm Cancellation, and it will be all canceled. If you've scheduled multiple tutoring appointments, this will only cancel one tutoring appointment at a time. Also, please note that you cannot cancel a tutoring appointment within 3 hours of the appointment. If something urgent comes up and you must cancel your tutoring appointment within 3 hours of the scheduled time, contact the tutoring center and they can do it for you. The Tutoring Center is a great resource for academic help on campus and online that is completely free, so be sure to use it to your advantage. If you have any questions about this process or tutoring in general, please email tutoring@umbc.edu. Happy learning, everyone!